Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. So in order to do this, we'll need to get a RAR app, which we've shown how to get in our other video. Now let's locate the file that we want to unpack, and mine is located in the CIM and then camera. Here's this RAR file, let's click on it. From here, select each file that you want to unpack, click on this arrow pointing up, then select browse. Select destination where you want to unpack the files right now, and I want them in the movies. Click OK to save that. From here, change any of these extraction options, and when it's ready, click on OK. Now we'll need to enter the password for this RAR file as it's protected by one. Now let's click OK, and our files was just unpacked. Now let's move to the movies folder, and they're right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.